We're going to Sagada! Sorry, we are ano na. Hagardu.
Sagada.
Yeah.
Kuya, sundan na yung post kuya.
Ay, wala na. Sa kabila.
Hello guys, we're here at Sagada Pottery. So, medyo maraming tao. Pero look at the place, hanggang super lamig dito guys. Sa loob yan. Magpipicture na? Hindi. Dito yun sa loob. Okay.
Good afternoon and welcome po to Sagada Pottery. Ako si Sigrid, isang manggagawa dito. This workshop was set up in 2000 by artist on. He is a son of a missionary who grew up in the 1960s. He saw the potential of the local clay and the local soil of pottery. That's why he set this up as an alternative livelihood para sa community. Pottery has three kinds. Merong earthenware, stoneware, and porcelain. Earthenware is low-fired, yun yung paso-paso, lutuan na ginagawa sa vegan. Stoneware and porcelain are high-fired, which specializes in the pressure from the hand. Once it's centered, everything starts with a cylinder. To make a cylinder, I have to pull the clay from the bottom to the top gradually. I'm pulling the clay with both pressure from my left and right, going with the speed of the wheel to maintain the centerness. My hand should be the one controlling the clay, not the clay controlling my hands, to keep the shape for it not to collapse. This is the very basic shape. From here you can make a jar, a bowl, or different shapes. Right. Then outwards again at the very top to make a flower vase. Pwede pang in-narrow down dito to enhance the shape if needed be. It makes it a little bit sexier.
Wow, sana all.
Sinong gustong maging sexy? Paikot natin dito.
Ay!
Go uni.
Try the homemade whole wheat bread. They have a chocolate and yogurt. Yeah, this is a chocolate and then this is cheese. So we're here at, well, we are going to Blue Soil. Grabe guys, nakakapagod. Sabi nila 45 hike trekking, pero di namin sure kung naka 45 lang ba kami. Maybe 1 hour 30 minutes, but let's see kung maganda nga ang Blue Soil. Sabi nila worth it daw. Nandun ang lamig dito sa Sagada guys. Grabe. Super nakakapagod. And then, yung hangin, once na makit ka ng bundok, ang lamig. Lamig ng pawis. Yun lang talaga, papawisan ka. Pero yung hangin is hindi siya mainit.
Sabot ko sa post.
Dito lang lang. Isa palas. 1, 2, 3. lahat ng pictures.
Black! Black daw, no?
Gabin ka ba? What?
Ano nasabi mo?
Na unang na-develop Sheila, thank you. Baba na po kami from Blue Soil. Grabe guys, pababa na kami from Blue Soil. Grabe nakakapagod. Pero feeling ko, nandito na kami sa pinakababa. Ay, grabe. Pero worth it. Kasi once na umakyat kayo doon, maganda yung view. Para kayo nasa ibang bansa. Na video.
Ano po kuya, pwede iba-iba?
Bili ka ba? Yung isa, dalawa sa'yo.
Yun lang.
Ilan ba sa'yo?
Ay! Magkano to?
Yes po.
Ay! Meron naman, for ano naman din yun? Ano kasi sinabi sa ko, pang ano yun, pang ano? Ay, wait lang.